European countries have put a lot of effort into the green transition. Still, an increase in capacity of solar and wind power plants leads to new challenges, such as lithium-containing batteries production, which is not green at all. In these circumstances, novel power generating technologies are needed. To do that, vacuum gravity energy team working to get electricity using atmospheric pressure. We have patented the method of vacuum atmospheric power amplification. You can see how our ad hoc hardware uses difference between atmospheric pressure and vacuum, converting it into mechanical energy and eventually into electricity. We are targeting capacity in 10–100 kW range. Generators of this type will work around the clock regardless of the weather and location. It is a real challenge. Still, with teams that numbers 3 PhD and 2 laureate of State Award in Science and Technology of Ukraine, we are really able to reach our objectives. To refine energy conversion cycle, we are using expertise available at the research institutes of the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine. In 2022, our startup successfully passed following acceleration programs. We became national finalists of the UNIDA program and obtained modest grants for development. Our present status is at TRL 4. We are looking for different funding to accomplish the creating and testing MVP stage in 2024. We are looking for manufacturers, technical universities, industrial parks as possible partners or suppliers in the frame of future joint projects. If you are interested in this novel technology, please save our contacts. Let's contribute together into sustainable development for the better future.